If you've been thinking about buying your own home or selling your current house to upgrade, you're no stranger to the emotions that changing home prices can stir up. You know, the last 18 to 24 months have been an interesting roller coaster ride, to say the least, that many people have just decided to get off altogether and wait for things to settle down. But if you've been putting off moving because you're worried about home prices maybe dropping still, make no mistake, they're not going down. In fact, it's just the opposite. In this video, we can take a look at why home prices are forecasted to continue to climb. Hi, John West here from West Real Estate Group, where we love to answer your questions about buying, selling, and investing here in Idaho real estate. Now, looking at data from this year from several different sources, they have all been showing that home prices have likely hit their bottom and they've been going up consistently this year. Take a look at this graph that helps illustrate this trend. Here's what this graph shows. In the first half of 2022, home prices rose significantly, as shown by the green bars on the left side of the graphs. Those increases were dramatic and unsustainable. So in the second half of the year, prices went through a correction and started dipping a bit, shown in the red. But those slight declines were only shallow and short-lived. Still, the media really focused on these drops in their headlines, and that created a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. But here, what hasn't been fully covered. So far in 2023, prices are continuing to go up once more, but this time a more normal pace, as you can see reflected in the green bars on the right side of the graphs. The fact that all three reports show more normal typical price appreciation this year is really good news for the housing market, as it's healthy. But a common question I'm always asked is, well, why are home prices increasing now? One main reason home prices are going back up is because there's simply not enough homes for sale for all the people who want to buy them. Even though higher mortgage rates have caused buyer demand to moderate, they also cause the supply of available homes to go down too. And that's because of the mortgage rate lock-in effect. When rates rise, some homeowners are reluctant to sell and lose their current low mortgage rates and take on a higher one for their next home. So with higher mortgage rates impacting both buyers and sellers, the supply and demand equation of the housing market has been, affected. But since there are still more people who want to buy and purchase these homes than there are actual available homes to buy, prices continue to rise. So here's how this information impacts you. Buyers, if you've been waiting on the sidelines to buy a home, but we're afraid the values might drop, knowing that prices have gone back up should make you feel better. Buying a home gives you a chance to own something that usually becomes more valuable over time. Sellers, if you've been holding off selling your house because you were worried about how the changing home prices might affect the value, it could be a smart move to put your house on the market now. You don't have to wait any longer because the most recent data indicates home prices have turned in your favor. But here's the bottom line. If you've been putting off moving because you were worried that home prices might go down, data is showing they're increasing across the country. So let's connect so you can understand how home prices are changing in our local area. We will show you, not tell you, what the current market conditions are doing, and that way will help you understand how this information can affect you so you can make an informed decision. So what's your real estate goals for this next year? Let's discuss them now so we can come up with a plan to help you achieve those goals. Call our team today or email us with your questions. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you on the next video.